Oh.
Did you like your Yoda? Did you say you always wanted a Yoda?
Always wanted one.
Really?
Uh-huh.
Since when?
Oh, Wednesday. Friday I wanted one.
Alright, ready?
Were you at the store with Mommy on last Friday?
Oh, he's awesome. What do you say, Thomas?
Thank you.
Do you like it?
Yeah.
What's he do? Show me how he fights. Doesn't he? He does like flips and stuff, doesn't he?
Yeah. I know he does flips in the movie.
Does he like children?
He like kills.
Alright, we're gonna sing before we open any more, okay? Tell Mommy.